Let me show you how to create the most incredibly refreshing cool noodle dish. This recipe will change how you think about summer meals, combining cool noodles with truly vibrant flavors. In a textural masterpiece, cook 200 grams of noodles until they are just tender, as they have a pleasant firmness. Then immediately move them into a bath of ice and cold water. This quick cooling stops the cooking and gives you the perfect, satisfying chewing with your flavor base. With 100 grams of fresh cucumber strips for a clean crunch, 30 grams of cilantro stems for a bright aroma, and 50 grams of thin sliced chili peppers for a gentle building heat for a wonderful texture. Add 150 grams of konjac strips. These are chewy, low-calorie strips that act like little sponges, soaking all the dressing and adding a satisfying bite without any heaviness. In a small pan, heat 30 milliliters of wine. Add 10 grams of minced garlic, 5 grams of chili flakes, and 8 grams of sesame seeds. Toast them gently until they become incredibly fragrant. This process unlocks their deepest flavors. To the fragrant oil, add 45 milliliters of light soy sauce for a savory base, 10 grams of sugar to round out the heat, and 3 grams of salt to make all the other flavors shine. This creates a perfectly balanced dressing. Here's the secret: pour in 120 milliliters of lemon lime soda. The bubbles help carry the dressing deep into the noodles, and the light citrus sweetness plays beautifully with the spicy and savory notes. Pour this aromatic dressing over your chilled noodles and vegetables. Toast everything together gently until every single strand and piece is evenly coated. You will see the dressing get to work right away. The result is a dish that offers multiple sensations at once. You get the cool noodles, the crisp vegetables, the spicy and savory dressing, and a faint, refreshing citrus sweetness, all working together in harmony. This is more than just combining ingredients. It is a thoughtful creation of flavor and texture. The konjac gives a satisfying chew. The carbonated dressing feels light and lively, and the overall effect is so refreshing. You will find it hard to stop after just one serving.